Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply a drop down transitions tutorial clips in CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit. So this is pretty easy. You can just click on the transition box, any transition box in between the clips, and then here click on the camera, and then just find the drop down transition. Okay, this one. Then you can just adjust the duration of the transition, and to make it apply to all of the clips, click on apply to all at the bottom, then click on a check icon, and this video will be like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to click thanks, click on a thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.